This review is of Gorgie Watermelon Splash Sparkling Energy Drink with green tea caffeine. I believe it's 150 milligrams. No sugar. Flavored with other natural flavors. Well, duh, yeah, of course it's flavored. Never imagined how hard it would be to do this with one hand. So saying it's flavored is like not saying anything because although other natural flavors implies that the flavoring is natural, it could be just marketing BS. Best served chilled, yeah, whatever. Vegan, kosher, non-GMO, content certified NSF, uh, gluten free, no nasties, no aspartame, erythritol, or sucralose. That's unfortunate for me. Oh, it's got B12, biotin, L-theanine, no sugar, and oh, there it is, 150 milligrams. Good energy for all. Uh-huh. We'll see. Distributed by Electric Youth Incorporated. 75 milligrams of L-theanine. Not recommended for children, people sensitive to caffeine, pregnant women, or women who are nursing. You should limit your consumption to 400 milligrams per day. If you don't want to be addicted, do what I do. Only use it on days when you need it, and only have about 1 or 2 cups worth, and never have it every day. No fat, no cholesterol, no sodium, 1 gram of carbs, that's not sugars or fiber apparently, no protein. The ingredients. All right, we're going to give this a try now. I need to ask for your help. On December 11th, I was fired by Amazon on false pretenses, and on the 17th, I had my left shoulder surgery. I can't actually talk, apparently. And so you can kind of see there. It's healing nicely, I think. Not much pain, except for when I try to sleep, and then it's a little bit challenging. Could you please help me out, because it's going to be months before I'm back to the position of being able to work. Please like, subscribe, share, comment, and turn on notifications on my YouTube channels. And if you'd like to help financially, you can send me a super thanks, and or you can join this channel, and or you can go to patreon.com/GLENNMII. Thank you. All right, here we go with the watermelon splash. And watermelon does tend to splash when you try to eat it. It kind of squirts at you. Huh. Imagine watermelon that's sour, but also tastes like watermelon. I'm not sure why it has to be sour. I mean, I'm not like excited about that. The flavor's okay as far as watermelon is concerned. But that sourness, it just kind of throws me off. If you would like to have sour watermelon, then this is a good choice for you. But for me, I'll give it a 5. Afia, thanks for watching, and hope you have a great day.